We got the big boy 2022 brand new Chevy Silverado High Country. .420 horsepower, 6.2 liter V8. Let's take a look underneath. Today, we put on a classic 40 series Flowmaster. Sorry, Super 40 series. Check it out. Part number 952548. This is the stock muffler right here. It's a little hot. Just burnt my fingertips. This is where we did the work. Over here, ran the 3-inch pipe. Threw on that the Super 40 series right there. We have Berto checking for leaks right now. Stock resonators right there. This thing has like 200 miles on it. It's a beast. All right, let's see how she sounds.